Good evening. Toti Dulay here, retired professor. I'd like to share with you a secret. Do you know that you can be really successful without trying too hard? Yeah, just act naturally. For instance, it's like this, no? Just follow the natural sequence of life. For instance, if you're a student, be a good student. Study hard. No? Spend your time and concentration on being a student. Then when you're ready at finish studying, well, do your next step in the best way you can. For instance, you're finding a job. Be a good in finding a job. Explore everything. Pursue your career. And then when you found your career, be good in your chosen career. Being good is not hard. All you have to do is to go to your work regularly. Okay, be friendly to everyone. Try to follow instructions and regulations. And then after that, find your husband or wife. Be good in finding them. See? And then marry, and then start a family. And then concentrate on whatever is expected of you. Nothing fancy about it. Of course, don't do something stupid, no? But eventually, the good graces will accumulate. The concentration, the focus, and the ambition and the good intention will accumulate, and it will eventually propel you to a lot of graces and achievements. Because people will notice you, that you are sincere, that you meant well, and you work hard. Eventually, success will come. And that is how to be successful without being extraordinary. Just being natural and good and concentrate on what you're doing. After all, you have to do it. So why not? Well, why not do it well? Right? So that's the only secret in life. Take it from me, no? I'm already old. I have a good, family, no? So that's the only way to be successful without being extraordinary. Well, some people are doing their best and they encountered a lot of luck, no? This formula will get you to success, anticipating that there's no luck coming your way. What if there are luck that will come your way? So it will become, there's a multiplier effect, right? See? That's really a way to become successful without being extraordinary. Well, you don't need high IQ, you don't need so much good schools, no? You don't need, good family background or good surname, whatever, no? What you need really is just to focus on what you are expected to do and do it well. See? I hope you were on the same page right now, no? We're talking here of simple way to be successful. Okay? Thank you very much and good night. See you in my next little bit of wisdom. And if you have some question, try to comment. I'll discuss it and I'll mention your name. Thank you.